Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every homeowner, sun protection. We'll discuss why it's essential, explore various types of blinds, and make a case for why pleated blinds are the best choice for your home. Let's get started. Sun protection is a major concern, especially during the warmer months. We all want to enjoy the sun, but its rays can quickly turn our homes into ovens. Luckily, there are methods to control solar radiation without sacrificing natural daylight. Today's sun protection systems combine functionality and style, allowing you to control light and temperature levels in your home. For those who face the challenge of early sun waking you up, especially in rental apartments without external blinds, pleated blinds come to the rescue. Unlike traditional blinds, pleated blinds fold together like an accordion, effectively darkening your rooms. While external roller blinds provide total darkness, pleated blinds offer a practical alternative with the added benefit of easy installation. So why do we believe pleated blinds are the best for sun protection? In recent years, they've become the go-to window accent due to their operational flexibility and a wide variety of available textiles. Whether you need transparency, opacity, or complete darkness, pleated blinds have you covered. Plus, they can be tailored precisely to your window measurements, ensuring a perfect fit. Let's talk about assembly. Installing pleated blinds is a breeze, and you have options. They can be installed on the frame or directly in the frame, making them suitable for both homeowners and renters. With precision down to the millimeter, pleated blinds offer a seamless fit for any window or door. The assembly process is simple, requiring just a few holes and a provided assembly aid. Pleated fabrics come in various options, from translucent to blackout honeycomb pleated blinds. The latter provides excellent insulation, creating a heat barrier in the honeycomb chambers. This unique structure not only keeps your living space cool in bright sunshine, but also saves energy by preventing heat loss in the winter. Maintaining pleated blinds is a breeze. Follow the instructions, disassemble them, soak the materials in warm, soapy water, and clean thoroughly. The fabrics are easy to refold, and remember not to iron them. Hang them up moist for about 12 hours, ensuring any remaining moisture evaporates. Pleated blinds are designed for easy care. Wondering what blinds to choose for light protection? Venetian blinds, roller blinds, vertical systems, and of course, pleated blinds all offer excellent protection against the sun's glare and outside views. The amount of light these privacy screens reflect influences thermal protection. Pleated blinds, in particular, contribute to improved thermal protection, making your space more energy efficient. And there you have it, the ins and outs of sun protection at home, with a spotlight on why pleated blinds are the top choice. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more home improvement tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy home styling!